Good morning, Junior 6. I am Miss Fatma Abdelraouf Hamadnallah, and I will be teaching you science this year. I hope you enjoy studying with me. Let's start with Theme 3, titled Change and Stability. Unit 3 is called Water, Weather, and Climate. Okay? Today, we will begin with Concept 1, which is energy transfer through the water cycle. As you studied before, water exists in 3 states in nature, which are solid, liquid, and gas, right? We also know that water changes from one state to another when it gains or loses energy. So, can you tell me, what happens when the water in a small puddle is heated? Of course, it changes into water vapor. This change causes the water cycle in nature, and that is what we will talk about today. Okay? What is the meaning of the water cycle? The water cycle is the continuous movement of water among different water reservoirs. Okay. What is the meaning of water reservoirs? Water reservoirs are storage locations of water on Earth, including oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, glaciers. It is a mountain of ice in the sea, soil, rocks, living organisms, and atmosphere. Okay? We said that the water cycle is the continuous movement of water, right? So, there are many processes, or steps, that affect the water cycle, which are 1. Evaporation, 2. Condensation, 3. Precipitation, 4. Runoff, finally, 5. Collection. Okay? Let's talk about them in detail. 1. Evaporation process. Evaporation is the process in which matter changes from a liquid state to a gas state. How does this happen? During the water cycle, the sun heats water in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, streams, and other water bodies. Okay? This heat causes the water to evaporate, turning it into water vapor as it gains thermal energy. For example, shallow lakes dry up when the water evaporates from them. Do you remember a type of evaporation that takes place through the stomata on the plant's leaves? It is called the transpiration process, right? About 10% of the water vapor in the air comes from the transpiration process. During transpiration, plants absorb water through their roots and release water vapor into the air through small openings called stomata in their leaves. For example, 1. Bring 2 plants of different sizes. 2. Place one plant in direct sunlight and the other in a shaded area. 3. Tie a plastic bag around a leaf from each plant. What will you notice? 1. Water droplets form inside each of the 2 bags. 2. Sunlight affects the rate of transpiration in plants. So, what happens when the amount of sunlight increases? The rate of transpiration in the plant's leaves increases, which means more sunlight causes the plant to lose more water vapor through its stomata, leading to a higher rate of transpiration. Okay? That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.